Hi squad, so I finally got my hands on a cast iron pot and today we are unboxing it, testing it out and cooking a simple one pan pilau. Will it live up to the hype? Let's find out. So I have a few reasons as to why I settled for a cast iron. Number one, it's very durable. It can serve you for the longest time as long as you maintain it properly. Number two, its versatility in cooking. You can use it in the oven, you can use it in the cooker, you can use it in the induction cooker. So it serves all the purposes. You can also use it to serve if you have maybe guests over or just for your family. It does have a number of benefits, so I did my research before I went for it and realized that it also helps in iron boost. I don't know how, yet to find out, but in this video today we are going to be trying it for the first time. We'll be trying the heat retention, the flavor maintenance in the cooking, and just the simple things you find out in the first reaction. So a package has 7 pieces, that is 3 pots, 2 lids and 1 pan. They're all quite heavy. If you have come across any cast iron or you have used any of it, then you know how heavy, very heavy this can get. I love the packaging that each pot and lid was in an individual box. That was very interesting. This is the pot that we'll be using today. We'll be making pilau, which is a very simple meal. For me, I'll be using the white onion, some meat, this is beef, some onion, I used both white and red. I'll be using some garlic and ginger that I've already crushed. Pilau masala, definitely from Tropical Heat, and rice. You have to have rice. We'll be having this with guacamole, so some onion, some avocado, some tomatoes, and lime. By the way, thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your kind of content, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Heat retention, check. Versatility in cooking, check. Non-stick properties, check. And durability and longevity, check. This is so far so good. It's ticking all the boxes. Let's watch and see. Guys, this is definitely a must-have, especially if you're in Kenya. It's currently on offer in China Square, so cost effective. Definitely it helped in flavoring the food, not just flavoring, to enhance the taste of the food. The meal was amazing. It's chemical free compared to the normal non-stick sufurias that have been causing too much chaos across social media. It's very easy to clean. You only need a sponge and maybe some soap and water. You can use warm water or cold water, whichever water you have. Well, it makes your kitchen look pleasing. It gives that nice vibe, nice glow in your kitchen. And well, I don't really know if it works with iron enrichment, but research says it does. So definitely a must have. Till next time, adios.